Hi everyone, so now I'm going to show this new batch of OWC stuff that I have. So this is a Thunderbolt Hub. It's quite a size of its own. And this is a dock. This is a bigger size one. Okay. Then here's the 480 gigabytes of SSD. For different models, they require different series of the SSD, so please check with me if you want to get any of them. These are the RAM. These are the RAM for the newest models of iMac, but of course I can also get the older models or any other model. You can ask me, I can find for you. That is from OWC lah. So these are the 2 terabyte SSD. And this is 1 terabyte. Okay. This is the travel dock. It's the portable version of this. Okay. And this is the cable. It's a OWC Thunderbolt 4 cable. Yep. So I'm going to make available all of these to be sold on Shopee. So if any one of you guys are interested, please feel free to let me know and drop by my shop. If you have any requests for any other models or series that I don't have in this video, you can let me know as well. I can find for you. Thank you so much everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.